morning.
Hola.
Carmrade. Let's go.
Let's do it.
The big update.
The big update. The big Polestar 2.
The big Polestar
The
2.
daily driver.
Yes.
Sold the T6. Picked up a Polestar. You know what's funny is I sold this actually in December. Well, I put it for sale in December. Sold it in January.
Mm-hmm.
And ordered the Polestar also in December. And then this came right as the fuel prices went like through the roof. It was a perfect timing.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, excited to go for a lap for it.
Yeah,
I mean, already did so many laps with Polestar 2. License plate says that it's going to have the performance upgrade.
Yeah, I haven't done it yet.
But performance software upgrade, which is going to bring it to 476 horsepower, and a nice badge, which my car is also still missing. But yeah, in any case, let's hop in, do a lap, talk more about it. And that's going to be a video that you've seen already yesterday or maybe tomorrow. We will find out in a bit. But first of all, good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring. Today, beautiful sunny day. And as you can see, I'm filming on my phone. And the reason for that is because my camera is attached somewhere there. Like here. To the...
Like here?
Here. There. Show us.
No, sorry.
No? No. So...
Somewhere here.
Somewhere here.
This rig.
On the Tilta Hydra mount crane that we're gonna put on a Polestar and do a car-to-car shoots of Polestar. So you have like the Lego how-to.
No. I never think. No, I have everything in my mind.
Oh, okay. Good luck. We're gonna do a lap and see you in a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna be filming on my phone. Throwback, filming of vlogs on the phone, etc. Today, a very good day. Porsche had a track rented together with Manthey-Racing to do a lap time with 992 GT3, Taycan, and maybe GT3 RS. And I don't know. I mean, how do I know that they have it? Because you cannot hide a massive Taycan truck. You cannot hide my massive Manthey-Racing truck. But for me, you know, next week I'm gonna be having my surgery, spending like a week in a hospital, and I decided I just want to like have nice breakfast and also like enjoy, spend time with my dog, and not go like stand at the fence and lap time them. So to be honest, I don't really care. Okay, Robert's waiting, so let's hop in, do a lap, and then we'll come back here. You can smell that this is first time on track, huh?
I know. I got out smelling the same thing. Probably the first time the brakes have been used.
Yep, yeah, because you obviously use just regen.
Yeah, I don't use the brakes anywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think.
Are you driving one pedal?
Yeah, I do one pedal. Rumor has it you might get better battery performance without the one pedal. Is that what you learned in your 24-hour race?
Yeah.
But it is nice. I really enjoy doing the one pedal. It's just relaxing. You're not, you know, doing anything with your feet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice. Well, let's see how this goes, and then we can. What's happening?
Almost there.
Okay.
Safety first. Yeah.
Safety first. That's good. But bounty. Beleka.
No, you have to buy something, then you're a customer.
Yeah.
You get a sticker.
Oh, good point.
A sticker and a sneaker.
Woo! Cocos. That's the one that I want. They're from Lidl, right? Or from where? Tell us. Oh, lekker.
Maybe.
You know what we should do? Roll through the car park with it
Oh yes.
and film people's reactions. Intercooler spray.
Yeah, this thing is shit. It's like pushed down in there. No wonder it runs out of fucking windshield washer fluid. The cap doesn't even seal.
So I just put this on and hold on. Just put this on and forget about it.
Yeah.
So what should I be scared most of? Like, that breaks what? I guess the camera is the most expensive component still.
Yes. The camera is the most expensive
Then the lens.
thing. Yeah. So basically, camera, lens, gimbal. Everything which is hanging only on this one bolt. So
What?
yeah.
Fuck. Alright, well.
So if it's gonna be okay today, I'm going to be drunk.
Okay.
Okay. So let's power it on.
Can film also McLaren maybe or something. Woo!
Hello.
Hello. Okay, not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous.
You are nervous? I'm
Yeah.
responsible for that.
Well, actually, yes. I hope you have your insurance.
So you will need to buy FX3 because then the A7 is gonna be in your hand.
Yeah, can you please like share as many videos as possible, and so we can get some AdSense, so we can buy stuff again. Oh, are you going with us for a lap? Well, we're not going for a lap, but we just go back home to Dana. Well, not home, but to Apex, which is home.
Taxi. Fuck, look at that.
That's awesome.
You can also do like the commercial shot, like
yeah.
the wheel. Look at the wheel.
Oh wow.
Okay, and accelerate.
Okay, let's let this guy go by.
Slowly accelerate. Perfect. Good. Like that. Take more distance. Up and down is okay. When the car is moving to the left and right, it starts doing strange
I
things,
noticed
so-
that a couple times in the mirror that it was
Yes,
bouncing
yes.
around.
And it looked more like this, no? On an angle, or
No, it's okay.
it was
Oh,
good.
yeah,
Was
I
it?
mean the rig, yeah, because you've got this thing
Yeah.
on the hood, so I didn't have any way to.
Apparently, they say it's so strong you can sit on it.
Alright, so the sun is setting down. Hopefully we got some sunset shots. Well, I'm pretty sure you've seen it already in the video, so you can tell us. But conclusion for today.
Yeah. Conclusion. It works when the camera is pointing. When the imperfection of the roads are
Not too bad.
influences the rig in
Uh-huh.
that direction. But for example, when we were on the roundabout, the image gets shaky. So I need
Okay.
to figure out why, and I need to figure out how to set the spring to coming back to the position. Because now the camera is attached, so it's much later. But I know that on the videos on the internet, it looks like when you release the rig, it comes to this
Oh, it
position.
goes back.
So yeah,
But where's the spring? There's no spring.
there's spring inside. There's
Inside?
the damper and
Ah,
there's
okay.
the spring. So
Okay.
yeah, you can adjust also as well the spring and the damper. So I need to find the sweet spot.
Alright. Well, we'll see. I'm looking.
At the end of the day, I'm happy that it's still in the one piece. So
Yeah, and I think you're happy that we tried it in the first place.
yes,
Because
yes.
you've been waiting for this like for over a
Yes.
month.
Yes.
And me too, honestly, because we bought this and I'm like, right, hello, are we gonna do something with? But we honestly had no time. We had all the other stuff to do, and now the weather is also good because we had snow and wet and this and that, and now it was good, and we said,
It was really intense with the amount of the work we had. So
yeah, so yeah, should be good. I'm excited to do some more stuff with it. So, and it works with Polestar. Let's get this off and stay tuned for tomorrow's video, which is going to be, I don't know what, something, but
Something interesting.
something
As
interesting.
always.
Exactly. So, and hope you appreciate the phone content. Yeah. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye. We actually already had food chat in the morning, so I think that'll be fine. Bye.